Hi everyone! Struggling with low clicks in your videos? Your thumbnails might be the reason. Let me show you how to boost your YouTube CTR with Pikzels AI in just few minutes. Let's get started. First, go to the pikzels.com and sign in, and then click the create thumbnail and choose your video type like gaming, educational, entertainment, news, and more. And now enter your video title or topic, and then the Pixels AI will generate a multiple thumbnails based on the trending styles, colors, and layouts. Then you can here customize your thumbnail. If you want more control, you can use a smart editor to add your face using the face swap, change text, fonts, or emojis, and adjust the background colors and add branded elements like logos. Then here, download your final thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube video. Watch your click-through rate or CTR start climbing. And great thumbnails will equal to more clicks, will equal more videos and more growth. Try Pixels AI today. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. Thanks for watching.